How to turn off camera on TikTok Live. So if you want to go live on TikTok without showing your camera feed, you can use the go live feature, but choose not to use your camera. So here's the process how you can do that. First of all, launch your TikTok app on your device and tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom center and start creating your new post. So you can swipe to the live tab here once you are on your live tab. If you don't see the option to make sure your account meet the requirement, which need minimum 1000 followers to start your live. So you can enter a title for your live stream and select your thumbnail if you want. And the TikTok doesn't offer a direct way to turn off your camera feed while going live. So here you can see that. You can cover with your hand here. Also you can if you can cover with your hand. So you use a physical method to cover the camera lens with a piece of tape or your hand. So the viewer won't see anything and you will be able to broadcast here and go for your live and click on the go live option here. So you can interact with your audience through the chat and manage stream setting as you need it. So the TikTok doesn't provide a built-in option to turn off the camera while going live directly within the app. However, you can cover your camera lens. So this is the process how you can turn off your camera on your TikTok live. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.